EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for October 21st, 2021. It is Thursday, and we have another very warm day across the region today, but this does have a time limit. It does have a time limit. It's 72 to 76 is the spread today from northwest to southeast with mostly sunny skies. Today, overnight, we have a cold front moving through that's going to change things a little bit, and I'll get to that in a second. Today's video forecast is sponsored by North Penn Car Wash in Lansdale, Montgomery County. They are home of the Unlimited Car Wash Club, starting at just $13.95 per month, so which means you can wash your car as many times as you want through a calendar month for one low monthly rate, and it's the only place where weather doesn't matter. You can wash as often as you like. Mention EPAWA or that you saw this video and tell them I sent you, and you get your first month for just $9.95. Even better yet. They are North Penn Car Wash at 986 Sumneytown Pike in Lansdale. Proud sponsors of the Thursday video forecasts. Again, we have a warming ahead of this cold front today, so we'll have temperatures 72 to 76 across the region. The cold front comes through overnight, and there's not too much shower activity with this. So you see this front as it moves eastward. This kind of falls apart. Okay, so our far northwestern areas, far western, northwestern areas could get into some showers, but it will be a little bit more scattered, very far northwest, up by, like, say, Lock Haven, over to Williamsport, then isolated, and then stray further southeast. Here's what I'm talking about with the NAM high-res future simulated radar. I'm starting this off at 9 p.m., so it is mostly sunny during the day, during the daylight hours. And then this front moves eastward. It's actually going to have a line of thunderstorms with it in western Pennsylvania, but that's going to die off as well. And here's 10. It just gets into the Lock Haven area, and you see some scattered showers. Lock Haven over to Williamsport. And then as it moves southeastward, this kind of just falls apart. All right, isolated shower left over here for, from this is just east of Harrisburg over through the Wilkes-Barre-Scranton area. And then just stray. Anything after that would just be stray. Most of your areas further south and east from there will just be mostly cloudy overnight as this front moves through. This front is going to lower temperatures behind it, even though you're not going to get any rain further southeast. You're still going to get the front move through. So you're going to have temperatures adjust on Friday to 60 to 69. So that's a spread. It's considerable more a more considerable spread from northwest to southeast on Friday because the front is going to be the cold air advection following that front is going to come in a little bit faster for our far northwestern areas than it will in our southeastern areas, which is closer to the 70-degree mark on Friday. But either way, we are partly cloudy here on Friday, and then clouds are going to increase late in the day and then mostly cloudy overnight Friday night, but no precipitation is expected here during the day on Friday. On Saturday morning, there's this little weak disturbance that's going to be on the rotating around the base of this trough that's trying to come in for later in the weekend. So it's going to kind of bring in it's kind of on the lead of the cold air advection coming in. So just a few showers are possible rounding the base of that trough on Saturday morning. Now, this is not a big deal. I had a lot of you message me about this. What's going on Saturday? I've this big event or big plans on Saturday. Are we going to be dry? Well, the morning I would allow for a shower, and here's what the long-range NAM says. I don't have the high-res version in just yet. It's not long enough. It doesn't go far enough yet. But the opening bid from the NAM here is showing maybe a few showers early in the morning. So this is 8 o'clock. Here's looking at 11 o'clock. And it's already starting to fall apart once we get to the afternoon. And then the sun comes out after that point. And we'll have partial clearing during the afternoon on Saturday. So I would say right now, before, say, noon, 1 o'clock on Saturday, you have the risk for a shower. It's going to be very light. Actually, in our local forecast, we have a stray isolated shower in the morning for a few spots in those areas. It's only in a few areas here. You can see that it's only going into mainly the interior locations here on Saturday, for one thing. But this is very light stuff, folks. This is nothing really too disruptive. But it is cloudy with the shower chances in the morning on Saturday. Very light showers in and out. And then in the afternoon, we start to see partial clearing. We'll have the NAM 3-kilometer in for tomorrow's video and get a better timing. So hopefully we get that out of here even faster. And this is even less of a deal at that point. So it's starting to trend in the direction of less and less. There's really not as much activity here as was shown before. But after that point, we go to mostly sunny skies here on Sunday. Clouds are going to increase late in the day. Then overnight, we have a chance for a few showers. It might go into Monday morning. The evolution of this next system coming in is a little bit different depending on what you're looking at between the GFS and European model. This is something we're going to need a few days to look at because it's showing the chance for an overnight shower Saturday night into Sunday night into Monday morning, which really isn't a big deal, just a few showers again, much like we were expecting several other times this week, just really nothing, okay? But then it has as this low moves eastward, it tries to transfer to its energy down here to another low near the Carolinas. Maybe a few showers rotate through again here on Tuesday, maybe even Wednesday. We'll see. This is a crazy evolution. GFS has this a little bit further east, and so it keeps all the activity offshore. So it's hard to determine exactly what's going to happen. And we're looking at almost a full week from now when this is going to be sitting here and spinning. So, I mean, this could end up south of the region. This could end up bringing a little bit further north and bring us more rain. That's possible too. But we'll keep an eye on it. There's really no sense in trying to micromanage something for the early to the middle part of next week so we're sitting here at Thursday. Just know there's the opportunity for some showers in that time frame, but it doesn't mean it's going to be a washout or that we might not, that every single day during that period is going to rain either, okay? So we'll see. We'll narrow that down when we get a little bit closer and give you more updated information once that period becomes a little bit more clear. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchich. That is your outlook for October 21st, 2021. Have a great Thursday.